don't wait until I'm dead to vocalize I'm great. I was first to break the bank, remember my last name. I got rich and bought a crib to build a window pane.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy SRTJ back with another video, back with another banger. As y'all can see, man, by the title of the thumbnail, we are in the trenches. We are cutting up in the trenches, as y'all can see, man, with the SRT. So with that being said, I'm gonna give y'all a walk around other car, and then we're gonna jump straight into it, man. We probably gonna drift a couple corners, you know what I'm saying? Drift every corner I take video coming soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But we might drift a couple corners today because we're in the trenches, you feel me? So stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all a walk around in the car.
Rich niggas got a lot of juice. Shout out to my lawyer, that boy smooth. I been saving money like a Jew. Still pouring up by the deuce. Nigga, who the motherfuck is you? Tiger pack a pistol, he a fool. I been killing niggas like it's cool. I'm back on the radar. Tomato, whatever you call it. The inside of all I'm ballin'. Walk around with that Glock in my pocket and keep 'em up. I can't do too much talking.
YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another banger, man. We got a POV in the trenches for y'all, man. In the hood, you feel me? A lot of my POVs be in the hood, be in the trenches, not gonna lie. But man, y'all go ahead, spam the like button before the video start. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed, because 90% of y'all are watching, but y'all not subscribed. And we got a lot of subscribers though, so that means out of 10K people, you know, like only a little bit of y'all subscribe, and I ain't really digging that, you know what I'm saying? So please subscribe, turn me up, you feel me? And I'm gonna turn y'all up, man. I'm gonna definitely turn y'all up, man. Should I slide right here, y'all? What y'all think? See, we is in sexy red hood right now. Y'all see the arch? Yeah, we in sexy red hood right now, y'all. Now the car smell like tires. Y'all welcome. Spam the like button right now, man. Right now. Dang, it stink. I'm gonna pick y'all back up, man. It stink, man. Give me a second. All right, y'all, man. As y'all can see, we is at the trap house right now. As you can see, that's what we be selling, all the crack, the perks, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So we can pay for this bad boy right here. Actually, this is a striker, so yeah, I want y'all one, let me know. 4,200, I'll get y'all a scat pack. You feel me? Back door might be broke, but at least your car note is free. So tap in if y'all want y'all if y'all want a scat, 4,200. You feel me? If y'all come with the striker, I'll swap y'all shit for 3K. Right now we in eco. We gonna go sport mode. As y'all see, the SRT is broke, but it's besides the point. Stars is in the car, y'all. How y'all feel about that? Stars in the striker? You feel me? That motherfucker hard. That might be a striker real soon. If that's your car, my fault, gang. It might be gone. We in the trenches with it. I don't know why I'm stopping at stop signs, because we don't do that in the trenches. We don't do that in the trenches, y'all. Why you try to hit the gas like that? Yeah. Low-key riding around because we looking for our next striker. Oh shit. Think we going down a dead end. Hold on, but they get me. Hold on. Let me turn around. Alright, y'all, man. I don't know where the hell I'm at right now, but all I know is we in the trenches, you feel me? We is in the trenches. We in one of the most dangerous cities, you know what I'm saying, in America. You know what I'm saying? So we finna, I don't even know if we can really speed down these streets, y'all, because they got potholes. Yeah, that's a dead mission, y'all. Sheesh. So many potholes, man. I can't. You feel me? Tight shit. Good thumbnail right here, y'all. What y'all think? Let's see. All right, y'all, man. We currently is in the trenches and it stink out here, y'all. Like, all these houses look abandoned. Like, fuck y'all got going on out here, man. We don't stop at stop sign. House right here. When I was like 10 years old, I threw a firework at it and burnt it down, y'all. So that's where that house at. My lunch lady used to live right here. Tight shit. Y'all know where we at, man. Spam in the comments if y'all know where we at. Comment below if y'all think it's the trenches. I don't, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it's the trenches. You feel me? We got the little project motherfuckers over there, y'all. But if you know where I'm at, man, comment below. Dang, when that happened? Y'all, this my homie crib right here. They burnt that motherfucker down. What? That nuts. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy as fuck. That's my crib right there. This nigga right here, he used to sell me crack. He tried to sell me crack right here. I don't know why this nigga not in jail. This nigga still alive. What the fuck? Bruh. Hold on, I gotta pick y'all back up, man. Give me a second. I don't know what they want to see, man. Damn. See, back in the day, I used to care about cars, but really the new kids don't. Got the little project motherfuckers right here, y'all. Fuck, y'all trying to go to the projects? Fuck it. This is where I seen my first dead body at, y'all. On my mama, I seen my first dead body out here. On my mama. It was 3 niggas died. No rap cap. I'm finna show you exactly where the house was at too. And we stayed down the street. We in the trenches, you feel me? And the cops is all parked right here. But look, this where it happened at right here. If you know me or you from this hood, you know like about this, you know what I'm saying? I was like 9 years old. First dead body I seen was right there, y'all. Like no rap cap at all. Y'all see it's all abandoned, you feel me? But we in the trenches. First dead body I seen was right there though. Oh, sheesh. We in the trenches with it though, you feel me? Tight shit. Y'all think I should drift this corner right here? What y'all think? What you think? They don't see you, you know what I'm saying? Like, spam the like button right now if y'all haven't already, man. If y'all want to see more content like this, you feel me? Spam the like button right now, ski. Tight shit, tight shit, tight shit. we gotta get out the trenches before 12 come. Oh, this is not real. So if you watching this is all on Forza. Do not think this is real life. Please. This is all props, y'all. I swear. You know you in the trenches when you see one of these, y'all. When you see a church's chicken, you are officially in the hood. No cap. If I'm wrong, comment below. Cause I feel like you officially in the hood once you see a church's chicken. It's a rice house right here, y'all. It ain't open no more, but like this rice house right here, it's better than rice in China. Like, and we is not in China. Like, come on now. Who you know rice? Do your homework on the rice here being better than China. How you feel about this statement? Tight shit. Oh man. Alright, y'all, man. I guess that's gonna end the POV, y'all. If y'all like videos like this, man, spam the like button. The like goal on this video, spam the like button. You know what I'm saying? If you made it this far in the video, you feel me? Like, let's get this video to like, man, I believe in y'all. We almost at 10K. Get this video to like 60 likes, man. 60 likes. I'm not asking for much. Just 60 of y'all gonna watch this. So spam the like button, you feel me? Like, do that real quick, you feel me? Follow my Instagram. It's gonna pop up right here. We do got a SRT gang chat. I am doing a giveaway. Right here, we got a PlayStation card. We got like 3 of them. Well, I'm only gonna put 1 in there to this week. But you got a chance to win some money, you know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is support me, watch my videos, you know what I'm saying? Just support me. I'm gonna support y'all, honestly. When y'all be liking the stuff I send in there, I go to y'all profiles, I go see if y'all got YouTubes, I go see what type of content y'all got if y'all do content, and I low-key, I watch it or I subscribe, like real spill. Like, I really be following all y'all back on my other channel, my More AJ account. So if you want me to follow you back, man, you want to tap in with me, go do that. See y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. SRT gang, we out.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really didn't class one. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh, she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.